Dr. Kwame Nkrumah was a pivotal figure who not only shaped the history of Ghana, but also significantly influenced the course of African independence and liberation movements. His legacies are multifaceted and enduring, reflecting his vision of a united and prosperous Africa. Dr. Nkrumah was the primary architect behind Ghana's independence from British colonial rule in 1957, making it the first African country to gain sovereignty. His tireless work led to the establishment of Ghana as a beacon of freedom and a symbol of hope for other African nations struggling under colonialism. A strong advocate for Pan-Africanism, Nkrumah played a crucial role in fostering unity among African nations. He was instrumental in founding the Organization of African Unity, OAU, in 1963, an institution aimed at promoting solidarity, economic cooperation, and political stability across the continent. Through the OAU, Nkrumah sought to create a singular federation of African states that could collectively harness their resources and resist neocolonial influences. Dr. Nkrumah's vision extended beyond politics and into the development of infrastructure and education. Under his leadership, Ghana saw significant advancements in education, as he prioritized the establishment of schools, colleges, and universities. His educational policies were grounded in the belief that an educated populace was essential for the nation's development. Moreover, Nkrumah undertook massive industrialization projects, including the construction of the Akosombo Dam on the Volta River, which aimed to generate hydroelectric power and spur economic growth. Nkrumah's dedication to social justice and economic equity was evident in his policies. He implemented programs to redistribute land, improve healthcare, and promote social welfare. Though his administration faced criticism and opposition, particularly from Western nations wary of his socialist leanings, his commitment to his ideals was unwavering. Even after his overthrow in 1966, Nkrumah's ideas continued to inspire liberation movements across Africa and the world. Dr. Nkrumah's legacy is also marked by his writings and speeches, which continue to resonate with those who dream of a free and united Africa. His books, such as Africa Must Unite and Neo-Colonialism, The Last Stage of Imperialism, remain influential texts in understanding the dynamics of colonialism and the importance of African unity. In summary, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's legacies are deeply rooted in his advocacy for independence, Pan-African unity, infrastructural development, and social justice. He remains a towering figure in African history, whose contributions have left an indelible mark on the continent and beyond.